From a cryptocurrency standpoint, how meaningful is this news that the FBI was able to claw back some of these Bitcoin payments? I mean, we're talking about a decentralized cryptocurrency that's considered safe and secure and untrackable, and yet this happens.
Yeah, no, it's raising a lot of questions, right? Because there hasn't been a whole lot of clarity as to how the FBI pulled this off. I mean, the reality is, if the FBI did have some backdoor into Bitcoin, if they had a way to hack the overall Bitcoin system, if they have a quantum computer sitting somewhere, it would be very strange for them to reveal that to the world based on $2 million worth of Bitcoin. And so what we're probably talking about was some other sort of information or data leak or some sort of court order that they were able to use to go after a bit of the infrastructure that was probably domiciled in the United States. But it does go to show the point that this stuff is not as good for use in ransomware and kidnapping and everything else that it has a reputation for, as people tend to think that it is.
So what does that mean for future regulation? I mean, it's a conversation that's being had here in this country, but other places as well.
Look, this should be a comfort, honestly, to regulators, to law enforcement. If you look at the numbers of how Bitcoin gets used, criminal activity only represents 34 basis points. Now, ransomware is a growing portion of that activity, but that's still only 7% of 34 basis points of all use of overall transaction volume that we're talking about. And that goes to demonstrate this very fact that, in fact, Bitcoin is not as good for criminal activity as people would have it be. And we can know all of these numbers. You know, the FBI is able to go in and trace everything that's going on because, in fact, Bitcoin is a very transparent system.
So, Jill, are you arguing that this removes one of these skeptics' arguments about the technology, that it is, it's open, it's going to be used for nefarious means?
Yeah, I'm saying that it's overblown is what I would say. You know, look, the reality is it's still 300 odd million in volume a year that is going to ransomware. Again, that is a drop in the bucket in the grand scheme of cryptocurrency usage, and there are a lot of sort of good beneficial usages of it that we could also be spending time talking about. But you know, there is this misconception, this notion that Bitcoin is this private sort of dark market currency. And in fact, the whole thing is transparent. You can go in and read the FBI report. You can see exactly how they traced and tracked the movements of Bitcoin across the blockchain and across the underlying infrastructure.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.